It says pepper ng ina mo. Hot sauce. I didn't know you could salt quail eggs. Ang Sarap Philippine Food Festival. Here we have Nutra-Rich, Nutraceutical Innovation. Kamatis, tomatoes, 55 bucks per kilo. Kinda homemade hot sauce concoctions. And let's check it out. Why not? Hail Mall Rats, we are here at Ayala Malls Manila Bay. It is April 26, Saturday 2025, and apparently there's a Ang Sarap Philippine Food Festival. It's running from April 25 to 27 here at the Activity Center of Ayala Malls Manila Bay. So this apparently is a small little food expo, and let's check it out. Why not? Right, here we have Nutra-Rich, Nutraceutical Innovation, DOVA-SYNDROME, just chocolate tablets. Ground up consumer goods training. It's like, what is this, coffee? No, it's like chips. Chocolate chips, cocoa chips, umamanga, whatever that is. Dried green mango, okay. Alright, it's a small display. It's just eating up the middle of the atrium. Here we have bagoong, kabanang talangka, crab paste, kasoy, tamarind, some cookie. Ooh, look at that. That's a duck egg, I think. But it's not balut, it's penoy. So it's just boiled, hard-boiled duck egg. Patatas for 90 a kilo. Not bad. Carrots for 70 a kilo. Now that's good. This, I think, is tarragon or sage. Let's see. I think it's, I'm not sure actually. It's probably sage. This is Sonia's Secret Garden. Yeah, I think I know this. We have salad sauce. Oh no, it's sauces in general. Okay, basil pesto and olive oil. Look at that. Okay, over here, oh, so there are different stalls. Let's check these stalls out. Okay, this is Siligaya. Okay, that is, okay, this is general. So, Siligaya. Ano yung kinunot?
Kinunot, sir, sa fresh tuna po with coconut. Grated tuna.
Tuna with coconut. Okay.
And moringa leaves.
Sarap ba yun? Okay. That's cool. Bicol Express line. Okay. Let's check these out. This is Firestar Dream Concoction. Ooh, look at that. Chili sauce. Looks, that looks very solid. Actually, shake it a little there. There's some serious ground chilies at the bottom. Cool. Chili garlic, coconut vinegar. Ooh, what is this? Sweet taste. That's good. Wild honey. Ano yung palapa? Ano siya? Ano yung palapa?
Taster.
Okay. Pure olive oil. Saan siya gawa? Sa...
Cagayan de Oro.
Okay. Ginger. Okay. Alright, man. Oh, last one's a little closed. Elias Group. So this one is Gonzales Vegan Longanisa, but that's not longanisa. It's like chips. Yeah. Oops, sorry. This one is Flow of Parir. They have mungo noodles. Yeah. Mungo chips. Salted quail egg. Oh, really? I didn't know you could salt quail eggs. Salted quail eggs. It's never thought about that, but I guess you can do that. Chicken pastel. Okay. With mungo. And this one is sauces. Norben Food Manufacturing. What about your sauce? Patis, vinegar, and actually cheap. Alamang. Okay. Bagoong. Okay. Bagoong ginger. Ay. Malambot pala. Okay. Nakakatawa ka dyan. Okay. Hey, it's original bagons. See? Yeah. That's good. Okay, let's check what's in the back. Okay. This is Blessed Harvest Marketing Company and they have chocolate. Ooh, it's 3-in-1 chocolate. Cool. I don't mind 3-in-1 chocolate. I don't like coffee that much, but this looks good. Tablea. Oh, chocolate over here. This one is Sagana Katlay and Rose Gourmet Food Products. That looks like salted coconut spread. Okay. That's non-hydro. Okay, so it's coconut stuff. Oh, it's coconut. Okay, coconut butter. Unsalted coconut butter. That's cool. Understand? And Sinlica's import-export packaging. Concentrates of juice, calamansi, dalandan, malunggay, and luyang dilaw, turmeric. That's all right. It's $180 for that. Doesn't seem. I might get some later. Some pre-made juices. Okay. Puree. Ooh. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's see what's in the backpack. So this is the Longanisa place, which is kind of out of Longanisa. Well, it's kind of out of Longanisa. They have pasalubong level stuff. Hey, butcheron, that's cool. That's chicharon chicken skin. EMS back. Ooh, look at that. Taro strips. That's interesting. Oh, there's a Longanisa. There you go. Bagnet. Okay. And then back here, we have dried fish. I'm a sucker for dried fish. It's always cool. We have dilis on top. Different kind of engrowlids. Dilis pa rin. I guess that's still what you call it. These things, which are fillets. Alabang. And fillets. Still engrowlids. Yep. I think so. Looks like it. We're with Tatay German Food Products. Celebrate local goodness, own harvest, locally produced. From Samal, Bataan. I don't think I've ever been there. Coffee, wait, do we grow coffee here in Bataan? Black pepper. Where's the factory in Bataan? Not sure.
Yes,
Chocolate.
I was making picture and we are also making. I have also still a cowlips.
Chocolate.
Look at the cowlips.
Okay.
The only thing I don't have is the tablea, traditional.
Okay. Cebada Bakery here. Ah, it's bread. Okay. Yeah, let's rest. Let's check these out first before we go next. YZHNY Enterprise. They have juice concentrates. Man, okay. Look at that. That's juice. Over here is more food. Of course, it's a food festival type thing. It's pepper ng dime bag 13. It says pepper ng inamo. Hot sauce and spicy gravy. Ooh, actually I've been seeing a lot of these homemade hot sauce concoctions. But they got cool names like Suicidal Tendencies, Burn Jolokia, and Sigara. That's actually hilarious.
Yes, little bit.
And here we have rice. Okay. Organic rice. Looks like there's a little vegetable farmer's market thing on the other side. It's kamote. $35 a kilo is not bad, especially this season. It's kind of how much it is right now in supermarkets. Kamatis, tomatoes, $55 per kilo, kind of normal right now. $100 per kilo, that's actually cheap. Calamansi, I'm actually not too well versed in. Wait, how much is the garlic? But this is native garlic, not the imported Taiwan garlic. It's gonna be expensive. Cigarillas. If you guys ever wondered what cigarillas look like, that's what cigarillas are. red onions, no white onions. 75 bucks a kilo. That is cheap. That is cheap right now. Squash 30 per kilo, but you know, one of those squash things, it's probably gonna be 30 bucks. Let's see what these are. Wait, are these for sale? Sampalok. Karmay. What the hell is karmay? Makopa. Look sa makopa. Makopa. Alright, so this is... that's not nata, it's mango. Okay. And there's like bananas, right? Melons. Read that. Integrated farm. Dragon fruit. It's not dragon fruit. Saba. They just play stuff now. Okay, eggs. Medium, 260 bucks. Hey, burgers, check out how much third world eggs are. It is April 2025, and yeah, that's how much our eggs are. That's for a tray of 30, I think. What is that? 6 times 5. Yep. 280 bucks. Oh, well, it's per egg, I guess. Alright, we got a couple more shelves here. Here we have all natural artisanal vinegars. Mamacita. Okay, let's check that out a while. Midnight Bayan Enterprises has, what is this? Coffee? No, it's, oh, it's biscuits. Okay.
From Samar.
Ah, okay.
Ganda na Samar. Best ni Masalubong. Ito yung laman.
Ah, okay. How much is isang ganito?
230.
30. Interesting. Alright. Okay.
This one,
Yes.
160.
Ah, okay. Same material. Iba lang yung mukha niya.
Hindi.
Ay, iba rin.
Iba.
Oh, okay. I gets. Corioso
Curioso
Roscas.
from Gandara Samar, from Ayala Native Food Products. I am the owner of my estate.
Sige ba? Sige, thank you ba? Okay.
Right na, sir.
Yes. So, I'll tingnan mamaya pa uwi. Mamaya pa uwi.
Nandun ako yung mga product
Okay,
ko.
ito naman. Chips. Taro chips. Banana chips. Veggie chicharon.
Ikot ka pa dun, sir. Marami
Okay.
pang product doon.
Yeah, I've been going around actually.
May salted
Okay.
egg dun, sir. Baka di ka
Ayan, nakita ko. This is mafakga. Okay. Yeah, actually. Coffee. Okay. Pomelos. Look at that. And this is Mamacitas. I'm not sure if it's the... Oh, it is. I have some Mamacitas. So that's Oh, it's a food place. You can actually get real food. Look. It's up. $100 price. Cheap food. Mamacitas. Philippine flavor journey. Yeah, one last. Let's go around. Okay. Now this front is just the front of the Ang Sarap Ahmad Dakar. Ano to? Jason Bugnay Wine. Okay. Saan gawa to? Saan siya Anong material?
Ano po, Bugnay fruit siya.
Bugnay. Okay. May ganun pala.
Yung wild ka na yan.
Ah, okay.
Wild fruit siya.
Interesting. Okay. Ano to? Organic something. Okay. Coffee. Oh, it's coffee. It's ground. It's rice, I guess. Huh?
Medyo maros siya.
Oh, okay. This one is muscovado. Okay. Is this fish? No, it's not. Oh, it's good. Ano natin? Asado?
From Baguio yung itag ng Baguio yan.
Ah, baboy siya?
Yes, sir.
Oh, how much yung ganito?
350, sir.
50?
Yeah. Bago yan.
Smoke? Interesting. Ah, so, ano, 250 grams or 500 grams? 500 na?
500 grams, sir.
250. Oh, think about that. Hanggang anong oras today?
Mayawi ka rin naman yan.
Usual end of mall. Okay. Sige. Might get that. Same rin to.
Yes.
Interesting. That is interesting. Let's keep that in mind. That's cool.
Strawberry jam.
Okay. Jam. And potatoes.
90 pesos per kilo.
Oh, okay. Oh, there. There's potatoes. Potatoes. Lettuce. Lemon. Potatoes. Sayote. And then, kadiwa ng Pangulo. Okay. Wow. Cheap rice. There you go, guys. I think we finished it. Well, there you go, mga rats. That was the Ang Sarap Food Festival, Philippine Food Festival here at Ayala Malls Manila Bay. And it's April 26, Saturday, 2025. Hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. You know what to do. See you guys later. Mall rat out. Actually, there's a third floor landmark. It's already open.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.